Hi, today I'll review this Xiaomi USB adapter that I bought from Everbuying.net. It has black color. It can be used to connect to a Wi-Fi network in client mode, or using special software that's developed by Xiaomi. It can also be used as a software access point. So you can make any notebook or stationary PC a wireless access point using this little device. As always, Xiaomi has a very good quality. This is the original one that I bought from Everbuying.net. Everbuying always sell original items. It is a very good device if you need to connect stationary PC to Wi-Fi or to give internet via notebook or stationary PC to other devices such as smartphones, tablet PC and others. Thanks Everbuying for this great purchase. I definitely buy more.